After 50, your body's ability to make vitamin D drops, sometimes by half. And here's the tricky part. You might not even notice until serious health issues show up. According to the National Institutes of Health, nearly 1 in 2 older adults have low vitamin D. That's linked to weaker bones, muscle loss, low mood, and even higher fall risk. Today on Live Vital Life, we'll walk through the 10 most researched, expert-backed symptoms of vitamin D deficiency after 50, plus simple, natural ways to bring your levels back up. Let's dive in. Vitamin D is like your body's quiet multitasker. It strengthens bones, supports muscles, powers your immune system, and even helps your brain. But after 50, two big things happen. Your skin makes less vitamin D from sunlight, and your kidneys become less efficient at turning it into the active form your body uses. That's why knowing these warning signs matters. It's about catching the problem early, before it snowballs into bigger health risks. Number 1, frequent bone pain. Imagine building a wall, but not having enough cement. That's what happens to your bones without vitamin D. It's the key that unlocks calcium absorption. The National Institutes of Health explains that without enough, bones soften, a condition called osteomalacia. This often shows up as a dull, deep ache in the hips, back, or legs. Number 2, muscle weakness. Ever stand up and feel like your legs don't have the power they used to? According to the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology Metabolism, vitamin D helps activate muscle fibers. Without it, everyday movements, like climbing stairs, can feel harder, and fall risk goes up. Number 3, slow wound healing. Vitamin D is like the project manager for your body's repair team. It helps control inflammation and activates tissue repair enzymes. The Journal of Investigative Dermatology found that people with low vitamin D often heal more slowly after cuts or surgery. Number 4, low mood or depression. Your brain has vitamin D receptors that help regulate serotonin, the chemical linked to happiness. JAMA Psychiatry reports that older adults with low vitamin D are more likely to experience depression. If you felt your mood sink, especially in winter, this could be part of the puzzle. Take Helen, a 62-year-old lady. She always felt a little low during the darker months, but last year it got worse. She also noticed more aches in her legs. Her doctor ran a simple blood test. Her vitamin D was well below normal. After adjusting her diet and adding a supplement, her mood and energy improved within months. Her story matches Harvard research showing that correcting deficiency can improve both mood and muscle function in older adults. Number 5, hair thinning. Vitamin D helps create new hair follicles. Research in dermatoendocrinology links low levels with hair shedding, especially on the crown of the head. It's not the only cause of hair loss, but it's one worth checking. Number 6, chronic fatigue. Feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep? The North American Journal of Medical Sciences says vitamin D plays a role in how your cells produce energy. Low levels can leave you feeling drained from simple daily activities. Number 7, frequent illness. Vitamin D is like your immune system's coach. It tells white blood cells how to fight. A BMJ meta-analysis found that deficiency increases the risk of respiratory infections. If every cold and flu seems to find you, low vitamin D may be part of the reason. Number 8, joint pain stiffness. Low vitamin D can trigger inflammation in joints. Arthritis research therapy found this can mimic arthritis pain, especially in the knees, hips, and hands. Number 9, poor balance. Feeling a bit unsteady on your feet? The Journal of the American Geriatric Society reports that vitamin D supports muscle coordination and nerve communication. Low levels can increase fall risk, which is a serious concern after 50. Number 10, memory or thinking problems. Vitamin D protects neurons, the brain's communication cells. Neurology found that older adults with low vitamin D had faster rates of cognitive decline. That means trouble recalling names, concentrating, or processing information. 3 symptoms deserve the most attention. Bone pain that's new or unexplained, muscle weakness that changes daily activities, low mood that lingers. If you notice these, ask your doctor for a vitamin D blood test. It's quick, simple, and can guide your next steps. Let's talk about fixing the problem. Here are proven, natural ways, backed by research, to raise your vitamin D. 1. Sunlight. One of the easiest ways to make vitamin D is right outside your front door. When sunlight hits your skin, your body starts producing its own vitamin D, like a natural supplement built right in. According to Harvard's School of Public Health, just 10 to 20 minutes of direct morning or midday sun on your arms and face, 3 to 4 times a week, can make a real difference. And morning sun is gentler, so you're protecting your skin while giving your body what it needs. 2. Eat vitamin D-rich foods. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are great sources. Egg yolks give you a small boost. And many foods, like milk, yogurt, and cereal, are fortified with vitamin D. According to the National Institutes of Health, 3. Stay active. Weight-bearing exercises, like walking or light resistance training, help your body use vitamin D more effectively, which supports bone and muscle health. 4. Supplements. The Cleveland Clinic says vitamin D3 supplements are often more effective than D2. Always get tested first, so you know the right dose. Vitamin D is quiet, but it touches nearly every part of your health. After 50, keeping your levels up is one of the best things you can do for your bones, your muscles, your mood, and even your memory. If this video helped you, share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe to Live Vital Life for more science-backed health advice, because your best years deserve your best health. See you in the next video.